You can't see very well, but it's snowing. It's so pretty. Snow, snow, snow.
Always greener in somebody else's lake. You're dreaming about going up there, but that is a big mistake. Just look at the world around you, right here on the ocean floor. Such wonderful things surround you. What more is you looking for? Under the sea, under the sea. Oh darling, it's better down where it's wetter. Take it from me.
What are you going to do, take me?
We are going to the glamour zone.
Yes we are. I'm not ashamed. I'm with the glamour model. Me.
He's the glamour model.
She's press. Oh, we're going to press. Oh, I can be in the vlog.
You are, again.
Right, Charlotte.
I like having you in my vlog.
I follow you. Where is the glamour?
Oh, there.
Ooh! A very small sign, isn't it?
It is. I can't focus it. There you go, glamour.
Glamour, we're gonna go and see if it's glamorous. If it ain't glamorous, we want a refund. Someone just said oi.
Oi. You gotta zoom out. Focus. Oh, what? What is that? What is that?
It's MCM stamp, isn't it?
Oh! Hello, Matthew.
Hello, darling.
Hello. Very sociable. This is what happens at the end of day one of Comic-Con. Comic-Con. Matthew, what you doing? What you doing? What you doing?
Phone.
Oh dear. Oh no.
Flail. No, your turn. What do I live with? My stomach.
Jamie, you and I should cosplay together now.
Just go rummaging through my pocket.
I'll be done with that.
I didn't even notice.
It's Queen Latifah. Look at her.
What the fuck have I had my finger in?
There's too many cars and they're all coming to run me over. Fuck off.
Anus.
Oh. Good morning.
My anus is bleeding.
It's the final day of Comic-Con. How you feeling, guys?
So early.
It's bleeding.
His anus is bleeding. Hello, Anisi. Day 2 of Comic-Con, and I'm a Slytherin. Oh no. Matt butt. Matthew Crooks of Hard Times Clothing. How have you found MCM Comic-Con in Birmingham this weekend?
I'm a cool guy.
Lovely jubbly.
Charlotte, how have you found MCM Comic Con this weekend?
The seaweed is always greener in somebody else's lake. You're dreaming about going up there, but that is a big mistake. Just look at the world around you, right here on the ocean floor. Such wonderful things around.